welcome to another episode of Ron's O-Gauge Train Journey. Here's my 3325 pulling those three cars. That 629 just, I don't know, it doesn't have the holes for the weights, so I gotta think it had a lot lighter cars. I don't know, it just spins, just does not have the weight to do it, but this does it just fine. BM is probably for freight is probably the right size, which is the larger flyer. Anyway, this is my torpedo. I know, 1668 or the 1680, I forget what it is. Like that. Doing some of the 600 series cars. Six, 813, 810, 812, 850 or so, I don't know. That I do not have a large scale caboose, but that seems to work. I just don't know that it will make the corners with that big thing. These are a little bit modified, 1673, 74 and 5. They have journals on them added, and I added a simple light to it that I can remove on a twisty tie, and there's just screw to turn on. Pre-war action flyer 565, and my passenger cars from my Royal Blue going. Looks like I need to replace a light on the last one, or tighten something up that was not working. Always baffles me that Flyer did not make a end to a train. But those I restored a while back ago, because I wanted lighted ones, and there used to be red passenger cars that I painted blue to match the Royal Blue. Yeah.